Miss Bree. I have a new toy to show you. Do you want to see it? Great, let's play together. These barns have different surprises inside them. I think we should open them and find out what they are. Let's start with number 1. Ooh, this is a green barn. Let's open it. Knock, knock, knock. Open. Wow! I found a green frog. Ribbit, ribbit. Hop, hop, hop. Ribbit, ribbit. Hop, hop, hop. That's so cute. One green frog. Now let's open the yellow barn. It says number 2. Knock, knock, knock. Open. Oh, wow. Look, I found a yellow duck. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. You know, I know a song about frogs, and I know a song about ducks. Maybe we should sing them since we have them. Let's see if you know this song. One little speckled frog sits on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were no green speckled frogs. Ribbit, ribbit. Yay! Now let's sing a song about ducks. We have 1 duck, but I'm going to sing a song about 5 ducks. 5 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. But only 4 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. But only 3 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3. 3 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. But only 2 little ducks came back. 1, 2. 2 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. But only 1 little duck came back. 1. 1 little duck went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. And no little ducks came back. Oh no! No little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. And all 5 little ducks came back. Yay! Let's open another barn. This barn says 3. It has the number 3. Let's open it. Knock, knock, knock. Open. I found a sheep. Sheep says ba, ba. So cute. I love it. The sheep says ba. Let's open more barns. I want to open more. Let's open the pink barn. Knock, knock, knock. Open. Open the barn, and I found a pink pig. Pigs say or oink, 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 but I think sounds funnier. Oink, oink. The pig is pink. I want to open more barns. Let's open together. This barn says the number 5, and it's a purple barn. Purple. Knock, knock, knock. Open. Oh, it's a little cute bunny. And the bunny has purple feet. Bunnies go hop, 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 hop. Oh, so cute. And we can sing a song about bunnies. Little bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? Ding, 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 ding. It's time to wake up and hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, 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 and stop. See the bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. They're so still, are they ill? Wake up soon. Wake up, little bunnies, ding, 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 ding. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, 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 and stop. Let's do more hopping. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, 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 and stop. Yay! Great job. Let's open more barns. Which barn should I do next? Let's open number 6. It's an orange barn. Orange. Let's open it. Knock, knock, knock. Open the barn. Whoa! I found a donkey. He's an orange donkey. He says, hee-haw. That's such a silly noise. Let's make it together. Hee-haw. That's so funny. But I want to open more barns. Let's open more. I'm going to open number 7. Number 7 is red. Knock, knock, knock. Open. There's a cat. Oh, it's so cute. Hi, little cat. Meow. Cats say meow. Oh, I love cats. But I want to open more barns. Let's open more barns. Knock, knock, knock. Open. I found a gray cow. Cow says moo. 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 He is so cute. I love it. Let's open more barns. Knock, knock, knock. Open. Oh, this animal is my favorite. It's a dog. It's a blue dog. Dogs say, woof, woof. Can you pant like a dog? Great job. Doggies say, woof, woof. We have one more barn. Let's open the last barn. This is number 10. It's a brown barn. Knock, knock, knock. Open. It's a brown horse. Neigh! He is so cute. Horses say, neigh! Look at the brown horse. Now that I have all my animals out, I want to play with my big barn. I'm going to put all the animals in the barn. Let's start with the cow. Where does the cow go? Does he go on top, No, he doesn't go on top. Let's look for a picture. I see a horse right there. Oh, and here's the cow. So the cow must go in here. Let's open the barn. And the cow is gonna walking inside the barn. Close the door. We have one cow in our barn. Now let's put the bunny. Bunny. Does the bunny go in with the cow? No. Where should we put the bunny? I think the bunny wants to go on the outside of the barn. Edit it out. He's on the outside of the barn because look, there's more bunnies. There's a mommy bunny and a daddy bunny. And if we slide the door over, there are baby bunnies. They're so cute. I love baby bunnies. Let's put in more animals. Did you hear that? I heard a pig. That must be where the pig goes. He goes in the pig pen. Close the door. Bye, pig. Now, let's see. We have a donkey. Hee-haw. The donkey goes in the barn. Knock, knock, knock. Open the door. And I heard another animal. I don't know what animal it is. Let's listen. It says, neigh. It must be the brown horse. Brown horse. Let's go in. Knock, knock, knock. Open. Walking in the barn. And close the door. Good job. Who else wants to go in the barn? Maybe the duck. Quack, quack, quack. The duck. Uh-oh, I dropped it. Let's put the duck on top, in the top part of the barn. The sheep is next. The sheep. Where does the sheep go? I see a picture of a sheep inside the barn. Maybe if we push. I heard a sheep. That must be where the sheep goes. Bye-bye, sheep. And then we have a cat, a frog, and a dog. They don't go in a specific place, but we can put them wherever we want to. Let's put the doggy in the barn, and let's put the cat with the duck, because cats like to find hiding spots and curl up and go to sleep. And the frog is gonna go jump in a pond. So many animals. We can play more. We can fly, duck. The duck is flying, and he lands on top of the barn. And now the dog wants to go down the slide. Look, this roof looks like a slide. Whee! That was so fun. Whee! Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Whee! So much fun. Maybe the animals are hungry. The horse is gonna eat some hay. Num, 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 num. That's so good. I need some hay too. Num, 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 num. That's so yummy. Thank you. Me too, it's my turn. Ah, everybody fell down. Oh no. Nom nom nom. So delicious. Thank you. Ah, now it's time for the animals to go to sleep. Night, night. I had so much fun playing with my toys with you today. I would like to sing a song about our toys. Do you know Old MacDonald? Let's sing Old MacDonald together. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here, moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O, with a neigh-neigh here, neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O, with a woof woof here, woof woof there, here woof there, woof everywhere, woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O, with a quack quack here, quack quack there, here quack there, quack everywhere, quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O, with a meow meow here and a meow meow there, here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a donkey, E-I-E-I-O, with a hee-haw here, hee-haw there, here a haw, there a haw, everywhere a haw-haw. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a ba-ba here, ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with an oink oink here, oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a frog, E-I-E-I-O, with a ribbit ribbit here, ribbit ribbit there, here a ribbit, there a ribbit, everywhere a ribbit ribbit. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a bunny, E-I-E-I-O, with a hop hop here, hop hop there, here a hop, there a hop, everywhere a hop hop. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, yay! Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? I think we could sing the song another way. We're gonna start with the duck finger. Duck finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Cow finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you moo? Horsey finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Doggy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Kitty finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Yay! Now that I'm all done playing with my toys, I need to clean them up, but I need some help. So will you help me? Great! Let's clean up together. We have our orange barn. We need to find the orange animal. Which animal is orange? This animal is orange, so he goes in the orange barn. And now we put the roof on top. Next, we have blue. Which animal is blue? Which animal goes in the blue barn? That's right. The blue dog goes in the blue barn. And we put our roof on top. Bye-bye, doggy. Next, I have yellow. Where is the yellow animal? This animal is yellow. See? Yellow, yellow. The yellow duck goes in the barn. And we put our yellow roof on top. Next, I have a green barn. Which animal is green? I'm not sure. Is this green? No. Is this green? Yes. So the green frog goes in the green barn. And we put our green roof on top. Next, I have a gray barn. Which animal has gray? The cat or the cow? The cow. The cow has gray on his face, so he goes in the gray barn. And we put the gray top on top. Next is the red barn. Which animal has red? The cat or the bunny? That's right. The cat has red on his ears and his feet and paws. So the cat goes in the red barn. And we take our red top and close the barn. We have a turquoise barn. Which animal has turquoise? The bunny or the sheep? That's right, the sheep has turquoise on his feet, and he goes in the barn. Now we put our turquoise roof on our barn. Now, which one will go in the brown barn? Should the bunny go in the barn or the horse? Well, the bunny doesn't look like it matches. The horse matches and is brown, so we put the horse in the brown barn. And we put our brown roof on top. Next, I have pink. Which animal do you think goes in the pink barn? The bunny or the pig? Does the bunny match? No. Does the pig match? Yes, the pink pig matches the pink barn. And he goes inside. And then we put the lid on top. We have one more barn to clean up. We have a bunny, and he goes in our last purple barn. And we have a purple roof that goes on top. Great job. Thank you for helping me. Now we need to put them in their bag. We're going to take all of the barns and put them in a bag. And we're going to sing our cleanup song together. Clean up, everybody, everywhere. Clean up, everybody, do your share. Clean up, everybody, everywhere. Clean up, everybody, do your share. Great job today. Thank you for playing with me. Can you tell me bye-bye and wave? Can you wave? Bye-bye.